Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my premium coaching program for new tax preparers. Now, the only difference between this version and the live interactive version that my clients get will be the price point and very limited access. Now, people who pay normally $2,000 for my coaching, but if they catch a special promotion that I'm doing, then they've caught a discount and they're all good. But if not, $2,000 is the base price, and next year they'll go up to $2,500. And so this here information in the digital version will give you all the same information that my clients get, but you won't have full access to me. And that's going to be the crucial part to starting and growing your own tax preparation business for yourself. Is having access to someone who can guide you through all the nuances of having a business, being able to answer all the questions you have with having a business, especially being new to this industry of tax preparation and taxation, is what the full-fledged coaching program gives you. This here gives you the digital version of it with very limited access, but with the same information. So you'll receive audio, video, and written content in this version of it, but it'll be the same exact information that I give my full-fledged coaching clients that they use to start and grow a business. You'll get it on this level. And the reason I'm doing this one because we have some people who are not ready to invest on that level yet. And even though I do my best to show them everything they need to know and see and be before they make a investment into my full-fledged coaching program, some of them just not ready emotionally and financially. So this here is opportunity for you to get a inside close look of what the full version of this program will look like from a limited standpoint, because I won't be there to answer all your questions every step of the way. 85% of the digital version will be given to you in those formats that I just mentioned: audio, video, and written content. And it'll point you to all the different areas and places you need to go and be a part of and having places at your business. And what I will cover in this digital version will help you with the essentials. The essential parts will be the business formation. The essential parts will be the e-file provider's application and the fingerprinting process and the PTIN process. Those three nuances right there are the key elements that you need to have a full-fledged tax service under your belt. Because without those things, being able to make money in this industry is going to be difficult, especially for the new person who's just learning this skill, knowledge, and trade for themselves. Because the problem you face being new and inexperienced is, my question I ask all people is, how well can you go out and get high income earning clients who are already paying out of pocket for tax preparation services? And that's the $64,000 question. If you don't have the marketing ability to go out and get those type of clients who are going to pay out of pocket anyway, then you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table if you're not set up in the way that Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, and a lot of other independent tax services are set up to be able to collect their fees out of the pockets of clients who don't pay out of pocket. It's how you want to position yourself. And I have clients who don't want to do bank products, and I tell them this is going to be the cause of what's going to happen to you by not being able to work with clients who are not going to pay out of pocket. Because for the clients that I've been serving for the last 21 years, 15 as a business owner, who walk away with nice size refunds, they're not used to paying out of pocket because, number one, it makes no sense to pay out of pocket when you got a $6, $8, $10, $12, $15,000 refund coming. It makes no sense to pay out of pocket, especially with the prices that I charge and a lot of other companies charge for their services. It makes no sense to pay those services fees, especially when you look at that type of refund amount. Now, the thing is, you got to ask yourself the question again: how well can you go out and get clients that's making multiple six figures, seven-figure income, and be able to pay their taxes for them, who are going to pay out of pocket? The chance is slim to none that you're going to have that ability, being brand new, no prior training at all to this career industry, and be able to go out and get those type of clients. It's not going to happen for you. And so what you want to do being new is you want to position yourself to be able to work with middle class and low income families who majority of them going to walk away with nice size refunds, who can pay you the fee you're going to charge. Because I tell people, if you're new or not, you don't want to lowball yourself by charging ridiculous fees that's not going to support you, a family, or your business. You just don't want to go out like that. And so what will happen is you would definitely have to lowball yourself if you're going to not have a bank product inside of your business that's going to be able to collect the fee from the clients that's going to walk away with nice size refunds that's what's going to happen to you. So in this digital version of my premium coaching program for new tax preparers, this is going to give you all the information that my full coaching program provides, but with very, very limited access to me. But the key elements that I will provide in this digital version will actually be to walk you through the business formation, the business structure, the entity structure, the e-file provider's application. You wouldn't be able to fill it out if I took you to it and left you by yourself. You just wouldn't. And then the PTIN number is simple. But those three different aspects right there is the key essentials that have your business set up. And those are the things I would help cover in this digital version that my coaching clients already get in my full version of my coaching program. Now, what the full version of this coaching program helps do, it takes away all the guesswork to getting started. It takes away all the guesswork on what you need to be doing. And you get all your questions and concerns answered from me live through our live weekly trainings that you won't get from the digital version, because I don't have that type of time to give you that type of time from the digital version of this program that I've just built out. But I will have frequently asked questions available that hopefully will answer some of the questions you will have. And even with the questions and concerns you do have, you'll send them to me. I will respond to them and send them back to you in a timely manner that you can check them out at your own leisure. So that's the real significant difference with the digital version, is that it's $97 for 6 months. You get 12 months of access to me for the 6 months of payments. And at the same time, we'll cover the core aspects of having your tax preparation business set up on the front end, where you'll at least walk away with a full-fledged tax service in place for yourself, even though you won't have me there during the critical times that you need someone on your team. And that's during actual tax season, which starts in January of 2023. And I'm a year-round tax service, so I'm working from January all the way through October every year. And so if you need the type of support, especially during the actual tax season, with this version of the digital program, you can purchase the add-on feature, which gives you the training and support needed during that time frame that will allow me to be there for you with this version for $799, which will still come out cheaper than you paying the full-fledged $2,000 that I charge for my premium coaching program. And so many moving pieces, so many different tasks, so many different things that covers inside having a business in general, especially in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation, that you need someone on your team who can answer those things for you, give you the right responses, give you the best responses, give you the best course of action on what you need to do next, based on where you're trying to go inside your business and inside your life, is what I help you make happen for yourself, especially through my full-fledged coaching program. But this is just a digital version of it. And so if you want to take a look at the digital version, and there's no commitment, you can stop at any time. It's on you. You can pay for the first month, decide you learned enough to realize that, hey, I'm either going to upgrade or I'm going to find someone else. The choice is yours. But when it comes to my premium coaching program, it covers so many aspects of helping you start and grow a profitable business that I don't talk about every day, because if you're not part of my organization, if you're not part of my tribe, you're not part of my audience, so you're not part of my YouTube channel or on my email list or a client of mine somehow, then you miss out on that type of information. But if you want to learn that information, you can definitely reach out to me through a free 30-minute coaching session where I educate you on the key points during that session. And if you're brand new with inexperience, I can give you my email address. You email me back, and I can send you over live actual training material, especially if you're the individual who needs to learn how to acquire the skills and knowledge to prepare income taxes for clients. I'll send you over actual forms and publications that you can check out to see if this is a good fit for you for us having a career in this awesome industry of tax preparation and taxation. And so when it's all said and done, if you're looking for someone who has your best interest at heart, if you're looking for someone who got your back, if you're looking for someone who can help you start and grow and build your business much faster, much quicker, and much more efficient than you can ever do on your own being new, then I'm the one you want to at least reach out to and talk to and see if we're a good fit for one another. and I'll definitely see you in my next video.